Have you ever wondered how to access the hidden content of a DOM elements before pseudo-element using JavaScript? It can be quite tricky, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into this specific challenge and showing you how to tackle it. I totally get how confusing this can be. Many developers have faced the same issue when trying to retrieve CSS-generated content. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, how can I get a DOM elements before content, which was set by CSS3? They mentioned trying various methods, but still feeling lost. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So why is this happening? The before content is generated by CSS and isn't part of the DOM tree, which makes it tricky to access directly with JavaScript. But don't worry, we'll find a way around this limitation. And stick around. I've got a neat trick at the end that will help you visualize this content easily. To retrieve the content of a DOM element's pseudo-element, such as the before content, the user needs to use the getComputedStyle method in JavaScript. This method allows access to the styles applied to an element. Next, the user should extract the content property from the computed styles. This property will give them the text content of before pseudo-element. It's important to note that the content property will return the text with quotes. To get a clean string, the user should remove these quotes. Finally, the user can log the clean text to the console or use it in their application as needed. This will allow them to utilize the before content effectively. Fun fact, the before and after pseudo-elements were introduced in CSS1, and they have been a game changer for web design, allowing for more creative layouts without additional HTML elements. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to get a DOM elements before content is to use the getComputedStyle method. This method allows you to access the styles applied to an element, including pseudo-elements like before and after. Here's the trick I promised. You can create a temporary element, set its content to the same as the before content, and then manipulate it as needed. This way, you can work with it in JavaScript. And there you have it. You now know how to access a DOM elements before content using JavaScript. Remember, understanding CSS and JavaScript interactions can open up new possibilities in your web development journey. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips.